Hi, we're going to be doing the fire now, the overlay, the composite of doing the fire composite. So that's going to be a layer blending mode. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go, I'm going to look for a dragon that's going to have fire coming out of him. So I looked up Game of Thrones dragon. And I actually need to find one where he's not blowing fire because I have to add it. So I'll go with this image, and I'm going to right click on it, save it, save image as, save it to my pictures folder. Also go on Google Images and type in fire. And I don't need a large fire. I need one that looks like this, like I can use it that's coming out of the dragon. So or like this one. That one's, and it's best to use with a black background because that's what's we're gonna make black transparent. This one would not work. So I'm gonna go with this one. So I'm gonna right click on this large image, save image as, save it to the pictures folder. Now I'm gonna go to Photopea and go to File, Open. And I'm going to open the dragon. And then I'm going to put the fire on top. So I'm going to go File, Open in Place. Open in Place. If you open it, this is going to open another image. You want to open it on top of the dragon. So Open in Place. I'm going to click on the fire. And there it is. And here under layers, we have the normal blending mode. There's other modes. There's multiply. There's light burn. There's lightning. There's color dodge. There's overlay. There's a lot of them in here. The best one, which to make black transparent, is screen. Screen makes black transparent. That's specific. So use screen. Here's the move tool, and you can use it to move stuff around. But we're also going to go to Edit, Free Transform, which will allow me to scale it, rotate it, move it. So I'm going to put it here. I'm going to squish it a little, make it look like it's coming out of his mouth right there, like that. And I hit Enter. Now I'm going to zoom in, Control plus to zoom in. And if I hold the space bar, I can click and drag and Control minus. Okay, so I don't want this hard edge. I want to be able to hide this edge. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to paint it. And since the background black is invisible, I'm going to paint it black. So here we have colors. Let's pretend or suppose that you have a red and it's not black, it's red. You want to change it to black and white. You just click on this D right here, and it'll make it black and white. Now, if you wanted to paint with white, you can use this arrows to switch the colors. So we're going to use black. I'm going to click on the brush, and I'm going to select I clicked on the size here. This is a hard brush, but I want a soft brush. Pick a soft brush, and this is the size here. It shows you how big the brush is. If you wanted to make this disappear, just click on the frame here. And I'm going to paint. I'm going to paint the black here like that. Oh yeah, but what it asked me if I wanted to rasterize it, so I converted the image to raster, so that's fine. I click yes. So if it asks if you want to rasterize it, you say yes. It probably won't ask you on your image. It's just a funky image. Okay, so that's it. Let me see. Control 0 zooms it out, and there is my fire, and that's it. So I'm going to save this file, save as PSD, Photoshop document, and then you're going to go on to the your downloads. Where's my downloads? And change that. What was the name of that image that was saved? Okay. Change the name of it to put your last name dash first name dash fire. Okay. Hit enter. And then go to your Google Classroom. Find the Photoshop class and upload your file over to the Photoshop class. Okay, and that's it.